Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make for you a modern easy DIY fall wreath. I found this beautiful fall pick at Hobby Lobby, and I did get it the 40% off when they had their fall on sale. I'm going to start by fluffing the pick and prepping my foliage, which I believe is called a lamb's ear, and I bought that from Walmart. I'm holding the pick with my right hand, and I'm using my left hand to place the lamb's ear around the pick on the back side. Now that I have it where I want it, I'm going to put it down on my workstation and zip tie it together. I always try to reinforce anything that I've zip tied down with floral tape. Next, I'm going in with some peonies that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and these cute little berries that I did find at Hobby Lobby, and I believe they were 99 cents. And I'm going to tape them off together. I stagger and stack and tape them off. And I do the same with the other side. Once I have them taped off and ready to go, I'm going to place them on the pick. Now that I've figured out where I want them placed on the pick, I'm going to secure it with a zip tie, tape that off, and then I do add another zip tie afterwards. Now I'm going to work on my bow. I had this denim ribbon and a gold ribbon that I had left over from other projects, and I thought it would be perfect with these colors. And I'm just going to do a simple bow, 2 loops on each side with each ribbon. I always use the same way to secure my ribbons. I use a zip tie, and then before I crank the zip tie all the way down, I put a pipe cleaner behind the bow so I have a way of attaching it. Next, I'm just going to take those pipe cleaners that I had put on the back of the bow, and I'm going to secure it to the pick. I am going to attach this to a grapevine wreath, so I have a yarn needle that I use to hook the pipe cleaner around the yarn needle, and this way I can feed it through the grapevine. Once I have the pipe cleaners fed through the grapevine, I'm going to twist them off and then tuck them back into the grapevine. This way you can't see it on the back side of the wreath. And here's my completed project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.